what strategies beat on earnings? Do I want to buy it or not? Right? It's just going to be constantly doing that. Right? And now notice that this is quite different from a regular strategy that we would build, right? Because a regular strategy, yeah, so it's actually searching for this web search, Flux Helper, da, da, da. Okay, make it. Let's see if it makes it correctly. I haven't tried this for some time, but it's quite a bit different from a regular strategy. Because a regular strategy, you're basically just going to be looking at numbers. You're going to be looking at RSI. You're going to be looking at MACD. You're going to be looking at some sort of pricing differences or whatever, deltas, Greeks. Whereas in this case, I can now open this up to do all sorts of other kinds of data. Right. So one thing is to trade off of the news. Right. I could trade off of earnings reports and that sort of thing. But also, I could do things like which biotech company has recently passed phase 3 trials, right? Or is looking like it might pass phase 3 trials. You could do something like that. We could actually search for that and invest in like biotech companies. Or maybe you want to invest in energy companies. We had a whole discussion around this last night. You could actually have the Perplexity helper. You could say, you know what? Look for energy companies that might be getting government contracts, right? It'll just look for those and buy those for you, right? So you notice how you can have this thing do a lot of very advanced type of work for you that normally would require some sort of analyst, right? But in this case, you can have it like actually use AI to be quite intelligent about what it is. You can get pretty sophisticated with it, right? You could tell it to do things like, search for companies that might get a government contract and back that up by actually getting their filings and seeing if that's true.